I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty lemon chicken.
In this quick and easy to prepare dish, the citrus flavors enhance the meat. Start by marinating the chicken. Remove the skin from 1 pound of thighs and cut them into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Put it with the chicken. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix everything well. The dark soy sauce brings a nice color. Keep aside during the preparation. Finely grind half teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn. Sichuan pepper is not hot. It has a citrus scent. It goes well with lemon and intensifies the flavors of the dish. Cut 1 onion into chunks. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Cut 0.5 ounces of cilantro into sections. And 2 chilies into pieces. You can also use sweet peppers. Cut a half a lemon into slices. And squeeze the other half. Heat a pan over high heat for about 2 minutes. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is very hot, add the chicken pieces. Spread them and let them sear for 2 minutes. With the pan hot, you can quickly sear the ingredients. This preserves textures and flavors. The surface of the meat will be nicely grilled. Flip them over and leave for another 2 minutes. Then briefly stir. And keep aside, leaving the oil in the pan. Add the chopped garlic. Stir for 5 seconds. Turn to low heat, add the Sichuan pepper. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the chili. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the onion. Turn to high heat and stir for 30 seconds. Put the chicken, the juice of half a lemon, the lemon slices, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir for 1 minute. Add the cilantro and briefly stir. And cut the thighs. The lemon chicken is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice and a cup of tea. Bon appétit! The dish is very pleasant, sweet, salty, tangy. The lemon is perfect with the well-grilled chicken. The Sichuan pepper brings a delicious aroma. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish.